So we are here at the new production plant of Festool in Weilheim in Germany, and I have a meeting with Stefan, who will tell me more about the production and all the details behind it. So just follow me. Hi Stefan.
Hi Stefan. Yeah, welcome to our new plant in Weilheim.
I'm really impressed. It looks very new, very modern.
Yeah, that's right. It's all brand new, and we're really proud of our new plant here. We consciously chose this location in Weilheim, and we invested a lot so that we are able to continue to produce high quality power tools in Germany to a competitive price. Cool. So let's go inside and I'll show you.
Come with us. Wow, Stefan, this looks really impressive here. What did you focus most during the construction?
Well, first of all, the new plant was urgently needed to generate space for new products and the planned growth of the company. But second, with the new plant located right next to our warehouse, we also wanted to simplify our logistics processes and make them more efficient. On the other hand, there was a strong focus on sustainability. Our new building meets the newest energetic standards. For example, there's a huge photovoltaic system on the roof of the assembly hall, and with the electricity that we produce there, we can supply both our assembly and the office building with our own electricity, and thus we also have a positive energy balance.
Wow, I'm really impressed. But I think also you put a lot of new technologies into this new production, don't you?
Yeah, absolutely. With our new plant in Weilheim, we wanted to be the internal and external benchmark factory in terms of lean production and Industry 4.0. We use a lot of new digitization and automation solutions here to improve the processes constantly. The core of the logistic concept, for example, is a new automated guided vehicle system. We have 10 autonomous vehicles equipped with swarm intelligence, which are used to bring the raw material from the warehouse directly to the assembly lines and also do the finished goods logistics for us.
And the assembly of the Festool tools, are they also done by machines?
No, our tools are still assembled by humans, but they are supported by the latest technology to enable ergonomic, safe, error-free and also efficient work. But our well-trained workers are still the success factor to the premium quality that our customers expect from Festool. That's why the people were another focus point when we planned the new factory. We've put a lot of emphasis on modern and bright workplaces. We have our own canteen with a kitchen and air-conditioned rooms for a pleasant working environment.
Great, so this is really a production of the future. Efficient, innovative, future-oriented, and sustainability is in focus. And always the people are in focus, correct?
Yeah, that's right.
And now I'm really excited, Stefan, to learn more about the CSC SYS 50. Do you think there's a chance that we have a look at the assembly line?
Yeah, sure. Come with me.
Cool.
Hi, Mike.
Hi.
Well, Stefan, on this assembly line we produce our new CSC 50 table saw, or how we call it, Systainer saw. And my colleague Mike, he's responsible for the ramp-up management, and he takes care that everything is going according to plan. And I think he will show you some more interesting details on this assembly line. So enjoy it and see you later.
Thank you very much, Stefan. Bye-bye.
So Stefan, here we are. I'm proud to present you the assembly line of the Systainer saw. This line is not only the newest in the hall, but with a width over 5 meters and a length over 70 meters, also the biggest production line in the whole factory of Weilheim.
Wow, Mike, it looks very impressive, but why is this the biggest production line we have here in Festool?
The size of the line is the solution of the first of two big challenges we had in the production planning process of the Systainer saw. The machine is composed of about 240 parts, quite a lot of parts for a saw. In addition to the large number of parts, there are also some with large dimensions. So we had to be sure that the workers are able to hand those parts easy and within a perfect ergonomic range. Moreover, the further the machine gets assembled, the heavier it gets. To make sure that the workers do not have to carry the machine during assembly, we built up a transportation system with conveyor belts made of bursts and balls. These solutions for a perfect ergonomic workplace caused bigger assembly places compared to other assembly lines and made the Systainer saw to the biggest in the whole factory of Weilheim.
Wow, Mike, this sounds very reasonable. You mentioned also about a second challenge you had when producing this assembly line. What was that?
That's right. The second challenge was to make sure that we at Festool build machines with the highest quality standard for our customers. The first and most important success factor to the quality we want are our assembly workers. They are trained to recognize if parts or assembles are not 100% right or not in the quality we want to have. Furthermore, we check the critical screw connections with sensor-controlled component queries and counting screwdrivers. These tests ensure that assembly can only continue if all criteria are met. To be sure that only machines with the best quality leave the factory, we have a test bench in every assembly line. In this case, we have an innovation in our factory. It's a test bench that calibrates the machine partly full automatic and partly in collaboration with the assembly worker. And finally, checks the relevant quality points. At the end of the line, our special qualified auditor puts every machine on basis of a defined test plan through their paces. That's it. That's how a Systainer saw is created. And the great thing is, every employee in the factory knows that quality is uncompromisingly important at Festool. Every employee knows that our machines have to be the best you can get. And we work on that every day with full commitment.